Welcome to the Department of Library Services. In this video, you will learn how to use all the information provided to you on the record of an ebook. Navigate to www.library.up.ac.za. To search for an ebook, click on the Books tab above the search bar and enter the name of the book or keywords relevant to the book that you are looking for. You will be presented with a list of results. On the left-hand side, filter the results to only show ebooks. Once you have identified the ebook that you need, you will be able to click on its title to find out more information about it. Here, we can see the author of the book, which year it was published, as well as a summary of the ebook. If you click on Save at the top right of the record, the ebook will temporarily be saved for you to look at later. Clicking on Share will allow you to copy a link to the ebook or email the details of the book to someone else. If you click on Cite, you will be able to generate a citation for the ebook. Just select the referencing style and copy the citation. Always check the citation for any missing data and format to make sure the citation was correctly generated. Clicking on a blue underlined subject will link you to other books related to that same topic. To view the ebook, click on Access Online or View ebook at the top right of the record. You may be prompted to log in to the UP portal. Do so with the same username and password that you would use for ClickUp. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll be able to use all the information provided to you on an ebook record. Thank you for using the Department of Library Services.